when I'm uploading a video, it's always turning black because you guys think this is the maximum number of shorts, but it's not because I have 3 channels here. One of them channels don't have the same shorts. My 3 channels are Jackson Kyler B5425, Jackson Kyler second channel, and Jackson Kyler Balya.
Meron pa sila dun.
Bago yung tanungan.
Wala, papasok na yun. Mamaya pa uwi. Tapos, tayo. Sa alala.